Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A15s, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the hotspot toggle. So it looks like it's not enabled by default, so let's tap on this little icon right here, the square with a pen in it. And let's locate our hotspot. There we go. I have personal hotspot right over here on the first page. So once you find it, hold it and drag it over to the top, drop it, and as you can see, it will be added. When you go back, you can now quickly access it at any moment from your notifications. So once you see it in here, the first time around, you most likely want to hold the toggle just so you can quickly access the settings. And as you can see in here, you'll have the personal hotspot settings. So click on it and start off by probably changing the password. By default, the password is just some randomly generated one, so it's probably best to set your own, which will be a little bit easier to remember considering you will choose it. As you can see, I did select mine. I'll also mention that the password does need to have 8 characters in length at minimum before you can actually save it. Then below that we have AP band, so we have a choice between 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. If you're not sure what this is, it's just basically a version of like Wi-Fi. Obviously 5 gigahertz will be better, faster, more stable. 2.4 will be just used by virtually any smart device. And if you're not sure what your device supports that you will be connecting to this hotspot with, you can enable 5 gigahertz. If you can't find your Wi-Fi that you create, the hotspot, that means that it just doesn't support 5 gigahertz, and all you will need to do to fix that problem is drop it back to 2.4. And last thing is the hotspot name. As you can see, it's the name of the device right here by default. So that's what you will be looking in the Wi-Fi list for, the name of your phone. So that's basically all the settings in here for you to customize, and once you have done so, you can now quickly toggle it on and off at any point in time by simply tapping on the toggle right here. So as you can see, now it's enabled. Once you're done with it, tap on it again to turn it off. Now also, I don't know if you can see, but right here we have Wi-Fi and we have hotspot. When you enable your hotspot, it turns off Wi-Fi because it uses the same antennas to broadcast the signal, at least I assume. So when hotspot is enabled, you won't have any access to Wi-Fi, and you will only be using mobile network to share through hotspot and also for yourself. Once you disable it, as you can see, it re-enables Wi-Fi, so it will reconnect to some kind of network. So anyway, this is how you'd set it up and use it, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.